I'm the type of person that comes in Family Dollar and stores like this for the snacks. Where the snacks at? Nah, really, where are the snacks? What's good, YouTube fam? It's your girl Pri, and welcome back to another video. I'm so glad that you guys are here. And what I really wanted to do this time is just come on and like introduce the vlog a little bit better while I'm snacking, because you know we gotta have them snacks, okay? So I just wanted to let y'all know that I do have a lot more content coming. I do have a lot of hauls coming. So if you're liking the type of content that I'm posting, go ahead and leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know that you like this type of content, and I'll definitely continue to post and just continue to vibe with y'all. And I hope y'all rocking out with me. So today's vlog is just going to be a collection of things that I've been doing over the last couple days. And then, like I said, coming soon, we got some other videos, some other content coming. But I just wanted to say welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you're here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the vlog. What's up, y'all? Okay, now we're about to go to the hair store. I just need to get a few things for my twist that I'm gonna put in. I need to get a little bit more hair. So we're about to go and get a few things from there, and I'm just gonna take y'all along with me. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we are here. We are at the hair store, so let's go in here and get what we need. Okay, y'all, so I am looking for the hair that I'm gonna use for the braids. Over here. Oh, they only got 20-inch, y'all. Oh no, they don't. They do. They got it. This is the kind of hair I'm using, but I don't think this is the right color. One might work. Ooh, they got one left too over the 18. I think I'm just gonna get the one. I'm gonna get some beads, y'all, because I'm gonna try and do a lock style. Okay, y'all, so we're making another pit stop just at Family Dollar because why not? There we go. Ooh, if you eat pork rinds, yo, my family be eating pork rinds, like, they're not good to me. But not me trying to bash on pork rinds and I eat hot fries. It's a must. It's a must. I like the Cheeto kind, but sometimes I just be in the mood for the Chesters, because them Chester joints be hitting. And also, we gotta love the popcorn joints. Them is so good. But I'm just gonna get my Cheetos right now. And honestly, I feel like I need to go to the dentist because, like, my back tooth, like, whoa, how old am I? 60? Like, what? No, I'm just kidding. That toothache ain't got no age. You hear me? No age. So I ain't gonna mess with the candy today. I'm just gonna get these little hot fries. Maybe grab me a Sprite if I can find a Sprite real quick. And I usually don't do a lot of sweets. I'm trying to find my boyfriend. Where'd he go? Okay, so he want to get lost in the store. Okay. Or was it me getting lost? It was probably me. Okay. But while I'm lost, I might as well keep shopping, right? And you know, I wanted some more like cute like bowls and stuff, like, because I really do like for stuff to match and be kind of cute. Like, it ain't gotta be fancy, but just like kind of cute, you know. I also was interested in like getting some little mason jars for like my drinks and stuff, or for like my overnight oats. But I don't know. Ooh. The hair aisle always know what's up. I really like the little satin scrunchies when I can find them. And when I do find them, they're always like in the dollar store. Like, I can't find them in the hair store or anything else. Let's see, hold on. I'm about to drop my chips. Hey, and don't judge me. They be having clothes in the Family Dollar that high key be wearable. Sure will. I will wear clothes from the Family Dollar outside. I sure will. They got little tank tops and they be having my size. Shoot, $4 for this little tank top. Yep. Look, they got these little camis for $4. They got them in brown. Kind of cute, but I don't know. It's about to get cold though, so I really be trying to find like sweatshirts and stuff. But they be having those in here too. They be having sweatshirts. I'm gonna have to do a haul like that. I'm gonna have to do a Family Dollar haul and just do all clothes from the Family Dollar and see if I can like make some fits. That would be fun. I'm gonna do that. Excuse me. Yeah. That would be fun. I'm gonna do that, y'all, for real. I really need to find my boyfriend at this point because people think I'm crazy in this store. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna find him. Oh, there he is. Okay, y'all, so I am about to retwist my hair. I wanted to have a fresh retwist before I put in the passion twist. So I was just gonna share what I use for my hair for my retwist. So I washed with the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. It is a rose water shampoo. It does take a little while to suds up, and I guess because my hair is super thick as well, but like my hair has to be super saturated for it to really foam. But once it does, like, this is so good. It smells so nice. It's not a heavy scent. It's just a very slight rose scent, and it just goes well with everything else that I use. So if you're looking for something that's like really you know, mild as far as the scent and works really well, go ahead and try this out because I've been using it. I have been using it. Next I have my clips here, and these are just to clip my locks back once I retwist it. The locking gel that I use is the Talia Wajid Lock It Up. My best friend recommended this one for me when I first started my locks, and I have not turned back in almost 8 months. So this is a go-to. It doesn't leave any buildup and it smells really nice. Also another mild scent, so it layers well on top of the shampoo. And then lastly, I usually just end off with like this Talia Wajid healing oil. Really, as far as the oil, I have been using this since I got it, and it is almost gone, as you can see. But I also use other oils. So I've got like this argan oil, and of course you've probably seen these at like the beauty supply stores. I've got the olive oil one. So these are just backups because I'm about to run out of this one. So I'll probably need to order this one again and just use these in the meantime. These are great too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Usually it takes me just a little over an hour to do a retwist because I don't have that many locks. I have about 70 locks. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'll probably break down just the first few locks and how I do those as far as a retwist, and then after that I'll probably like speed the video up and all that stuff. So usually I just start off by pinning up my hair, the part that I'm not retwisting. I start in the back first. Okay, so I'm really just gonna like try and pin everything up except for this first layer down here at the bottom because I want to show y'all how I do it. So I usually need a couple scrunchies to do this. I might speed this up for y'all, but maybe not. And then I'm just gonna this row at the bottom. I did the brick method, or at least I tried to for my hair. But I really want to show y'all me putting the passion twist over my locks. So I probably won't go too in depth on how I retwist, because I mean, it's not really a retwist video, it's a passion twist video. So this is kind of how it looks in the back. This kind of don't go with this row. Okay. All right. And then just to keep my hair saturated, because I did have the towel on it after I washed it, I just used distilled water. So they say distilled water is the best type of water. I don't know. You know how things change every minute. So, but I mean, water is water. I was using tap water before, but I had some distilled and I just started using that. So I just saturated pretty well. I don't really need a comb. At first I was like using a comb to do it, but I just really just go in and clip it after. So I'll show y'all. It's really quick. So I just take it like this. Make sure it's kind of combed out here. Take some gel like this, and I twist all of them clockwise. So everything is clockwise, and I just go like this. And if I see that there's a lot of hair like hanging out, then I will kind of palm roll the whole thing, but I don't really do that a lot because yeah. And then that's pretty much it. And then I just keep going like that.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced.
Okay, y'all, so look at this. Let me show y'all. It's like taco salad, if you will, nachos, whatever you want to call it. Okay, first bite here. Mm-hmm. Mm. Got some fresh jalapeno. Now, the one thing about fresh jalapeno is hot. Eat with caution. Mm-hmm. If you like spice though, that fresh jalapeno will do it every time. Mm. I will literally choke for spice. I'm crazy. If y'all would like a more in-depth video on how I made this taco salad slash nacho type thing, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely slow it up and just do like a cooking video a little bit slower. But for now, I'm about to get on into these nachos, y'all. All right, y'all, so that is it for the vlog. I just wanted to come back and thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. And again, if you like this type of content, go ahead and let me know down below. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.